Hi, this is Tony Veroeven with CSIA, the Control System Integrators Association. I'm looking forward to attending the Manufacturing in America conference sponsored by Siemens and Electromatic, March 14th and 15th at Ford Field in Detroit. Our CEO, Jose Rivera, will be speaking on the program there, and I'll be manning an exhibit booth table and hopefully seeing your face pass by booth 220. Stop by and pick up our free white paper, which is called Proven Better Performance. It shows that certified integrators generally perform better than non-certified system integrators. Finally, don't forget to listen to our brand new podcast, Talking Industrial Automation. You can find it at talkingindustrialautomation.com. Thanks so much, and see you at Manufacturing in America, March 14th and 15th.